Okay, good morning students. Today we are going to start first unit. In this first chapter is straight lines. Okay, definition: an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers, not all 0, always represents a straight line. Means here coefficients a, x coefficient a, y coefficient is b, constant is c, not all at a time g represents a straight line. For example, 3x plus 5y plus 4 equal to 0, 2x minus 3y equal to 0, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. These all represents a straight lines. Okay, next definition. Means straight line means in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Next, if a straight line makes an angle theta with the x-axis measured anti-clockwise from positive direction of x-axis. Means for example, if you take this is a y-axis, it is a x-axis, this side is a positive x-axis, it is a negative x-axis, and it is a line. And with anti-clockwise direction, this direction is anti-clock and reverse, clock ki reverse direction lo with positive x-axis to angle if it is a theta. If line ila unte with positive x-axis, ఇది anti-clockwise direction lo it is theta. This theta is a angle made by the line with x-axis measured in anti-clockwise direction from positive direction x-axis. Then theta is called inclination. Theta is called inclination of the line, and tan theta is called slope or gradient of a line denoted by m. Therefore, m equal to tan theta. Theta is called, theta name anta manam inclination. Theta is called inclination of a line, and tan of theta, tan theta is called slope or gradient of a line. Tan theta name slope of a line antam or gradient of a line antam, and only theta is called inclination of a line. Okay, m it is slope is denoted by m equal to tan theta. Okay, we discuss this. It is inclination theta. This is inclination is theta, and tan theta value is slope. This is the inclination theta, and tan theta is slope of a line. Next, if a straight line is parallel to x-axis, then theta parallel to x-axis unte theta emaitundi, x-axis వచ్చేసి angle theta equal to 0. Therefore, slope m equal to tan theta means tan 0. Tan 0 means value 0. Means the straight line which is parallel to x-axis, then its slope is 0. Next, a straight line is perpendicular to x-axis. Perpendicular to x-axis means like this. It is a straight line perpendicular to x-axis. This is theta. Theta equal to what? 90. Perpendicular means theta equal to 90. Then slope equal to m equal to tan theta, that is tan 90, that equal to infinity. The line which is perpendicular to x-axis, its slope is infinity. Okay. Next, if line L1 is with slope m1 and L1 is with slope L1, L2 is with slope m2, means two lines, L1 is slope m1, L2 is with slope m2, L1 is parallel to L2 implies m1 equal to m2, L1 is perpendicular to L2 implies m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. L1 is parallel to L2 implies m1 equal to m2. L1 is perpendicular to L2 implies m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Okay, these are parallel lines, slopes are equal. Perpendicular lines, product of slopes is minus 1. These two conditions are important. If lines are parallel, slopes are equal, and lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is minus 1. That is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Okay. Next, it is a line, AB line. It is x-axis, it is y-axis. this OA distance is called x-intercept and this OB distance is called y-intercept. అంటే లైన్ అనేది ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ని ఖండిస్తుంది ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఏ దగ్గర ఎట్ ఏ పాయింట్ ఏ అండ్ ఇట్ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ వై యాక్సిస్ ఎట్ ఏ పాయింట్ పి. ఏ పాయింట్ ఈస్ దిస్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈస్ x-intercept. OA distance is called x-intercept. This OB distance is called y-intercept of the line. Next, various forms of a line, straight line. We have 6 forms of a line. First one is slope intercept form. Second one is point slope form. Third one 2-point form. Next, fourth one intercept form. Fifth one normal form. And 6th one general form of a line. Total we have 6 forms of a straight line. First one slope intercept form. Next one point slope form. Next 2-point form. Fourth one intercept form. Next normal form. Next 6th one general equation of a line. So first one slope we will discuss one by one. First one slope intercept form means we have to have slope and intercept. The equation of a line having slope m and cutting intercept c from the y-axis means y-intercept is c, then y equation is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c is the slope intercept form of the line. Means equation of a line having a slope m and intercept y intercept is c is y equal to mx plus c. అంటే స్లోప్ m ఇచ్చి అండ్ y ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ c వాల్యూ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఈక్వేషన్ కనుక్కోవడానికి ఫార్ములా y ఈక్వల్ టు mx ప్లస్ c. ఇట్ ఈస్ స్లోప్ ఇంటర్సెప్ట్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లైన్. సెకండ్ వన్ పాయింట్ స్లోప్ ఫార్మ్. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లైన్ passing through the point x1 y1 and having slope m అంటే పాయింట్ ఉంది and slope ఉంది. Point slope form. The equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. That is slope in point slope form. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Next, third form 2-point form. Equation of a line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2. 2-point form means 2 points. The line is passing through 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the equation is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. And this can be written as y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 into x minus x1 means this y2 minus y1 goes to this side, it will come equation. Okay, it is 2-point form. Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x. It is 2-point form. Next one intercept form. The equation of a line which makes intercept x-intercept is small a and y-intercept is small b, then equation is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. X-intercept is a and y-intercept is b, then equation of a line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Next, normal form or a perpendicular form of a line. The equation of a line whose distance from the origin is p. Okay, it is a line. The distance from the origin nunchi then distance perpendicular distance enta p. And alpha is an angle with the normal makes with the positive direction of x-axis. Idi alpha. Normal దానికి పర్పెండిక్యులర్గా డ్రా చేస్తే నార్మల్ ఆల్ఫా యాంగిల్ చేస్తుంది. x-axis is in anti-clockwise direction, then the equation is x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha equal to p. The normal form is x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha equal to p, where p is the distance between origin to point, line. Origin to line is the p distance and alpha is the angle with the normal. normal to angle, that is normal form of a equation or perpendicular form of a equation, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. Next, general form equation of a line, an equation of first degree in x and y represents a straight line. Already in the definition we learned the equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers, will always represents a straight line. It is called general form of a straight line. Okay, first one is total forms. Slope intercept form y equal to mx plus c. Slope intercept form means y equal to mx plus c. M is the slope and c is the y intercept. Point slope form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, x1 y1 is the point and m is the slope. And 2 point form y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, intercept form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. It is intercept form. And normal form is x into cos alpha plus y into sin alpha equal to p. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. And general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. General equation of a line. These are the 6 forms. It is important for one more question. Slope intercept form, point slope form, 2 point form, intercept form, and normal form, general equation of a line. In the next class we will do the problems on these 6 forms. These 6 forms మీద మనం problem చేస్తాం. Okay, next. And important observation, general form. What is the general form? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. I bringing this ax and c terms into RHS, then we get by equal to minus ax plus c divided with b, y equal to minus a by b into x plus c by b. It is of the form, it is mx plus c, mx plus c form lo undi. So slope intercept form, where is the slope is minus a by b. Slope ఏమవుతుంది మైనస్ a by b అవుతుంది. ఇదే ఫామ్లో ఉంది, mx ప్లస్ c ఫామ్లో ఉంది. m అంటే ఏముంది ఇక్కడ మైనస్ a by b. స్లోప్ ఈజ్ మైనస్ a by b. అంటే ఇఫ్ లైన్ ఈజ్ ax ప్లస్ by ప్లస్ c ఈక్వల్ 0, ఇట్స్ స్లోప్ ఈజ్ minus a by b. అంటే minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is minus a by b is the slope of a line. అంటే ax plus by plus c ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్తే దాని యొక్క స్లోప్ కనుక్కోవడానికి ఫార్ములా మైనస్ a by b, డైరెక్ట్ ఫార్ములా. నెక్స్ట్ జనరల్ ఫార్మ్ ఈజ్ ax plus by plus c ఈక్వల్ టు 0. c brings to right hand side, ax plus by equal to minus c divided with c, ax by minus c plus, so divided with minus c, by by minus c by minus c. So x by minus c by a, y by minus c by b equal to 1. It is of the form x by a plus y by b equal to 1. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. It is intercept form. This a, x denominator is called x intercept, that is minus c by a. This y denominator is called y intercept, that is minus c by b. If the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, its x intercept is minus c by a, y intercept is minus c by b. And what is the slope? Slope is minus a by b. Slope is minus a by b, x intercept is minus c by a, y intercept is minus c by b. These 3 formulas kuda important. In the next class we will discuss the problems on these topics whatever we covered in this class. Okay, write down these notes, fair notes, and complete the fair notes. And next class means tomorrow I will give the problems, some problems and homework problems also. Thank you. If you have any doubts, send me a message or call to me. Okay, thank you.